Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Esther and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. If you're watching my face for the first time, so today is Monday night. I don't know when you will see this video, and I just came live to play and to just play a song. Last year I was in England. My friend had her 40th birthday and I was the host of the party. I was the host, and the musician that came to play was Shola Michaels. It was my first time of meeting him, and we just kind of connect as event people. We connected, and Monday night I'm at home, my kids are already in bed, and I was just saying, okay, apart from just watching TV, what should I do? And I decided to come live. I realized that I was on live, I was playing and I was vibing to the music. I didn't know that the sound was bad, so I'm going to just dance a little bit, and because I want to share this moment. It's my 40th, and the month of April is coming to an end. In the month of May I'm going to be 40, to the glory of God, and I just thought I'll be coming more live. And I shared a testimony for those that joined. 1 or 2 people joined me online, but they didn't say anything, and I appreciate them for joining. I will be sharing moments. Yes, I'll be sharing moments. And I also gave a testimony. I said YouTube paid me after how many months, because I've not been really active on YouTube. And one thing about YouTube is that if you're not active, you will not get paid. So I've not been active, but I love YouTube in Beyond the Money, and I'm grateful that I get what they paid today. I'm grateful, I'm thankful for that. But beyond that, we will still be here. So YouTube, if you are hearing, if you like pay, if you like don't pay, we'll be here. But I know you are going to pay me in dollars and millions someday. So guys, just listen to this song. Let's just vibe to this song together. As you watch this video, make sure you like the video, and let's just see how it goes. I hope the sound will be nice. You are the Most High God. You are the Most High God. You are the Most High God. This is testing. I want to know if it was my the tablet I used, or the phone sound. You are the Most High God. You are the Most High God. Alade wura ni awi mayeun, asoro mata. This kind God, every holy name. This kind God, I ever see your side. This kind God, blessed be your holy name. Oh, shall just swing all over you. 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 Titi, I am you. Titi, I am you. Oh, shall Baba. Oh, shall Baba. I will dance like David. When the Spirit of the Lord is upon me, I will dance like David dance. That's my friend, Deaconess Clown.
Spirit of the Lord is upon my soul.
I will dance like this. I had a rosa.
I will dance.
I will dance like this. We will sing.
I will dance.
I will dance.
I will dance. Oh yeah, my God is able
To do what is for me. My God is able to do what is for me. He knows what I want. I will never let me suffer.
Alhaji ló sanwó celebrant. Adékúnlé. Alhaji ìwọ Adékúnlé ló sanwó celebrant.
My God is able to do what is for me. He knows what I want. He will never let me suffer. I no go catch me. I will never
bow for Satan. He has given me the authority to step on nature and to overcome all the powers of the enemy. As a child of God, does no hurt me. So we pray.
Mo lágbára lórí ẹ̀yin ẹ̀tá mi. Mo lágbára lórí ẹ̀yin ẹ̀tá mi. Wọ́n ti fún mi ní ọjọ́ kí wọ́n tó mọ́. Ẹ̀yin tó bá torí ẹ̀rọ àgọ́rọ̀ kan. Ẹ̀yin tó bá torí ẹ̀rọ àgọ́rọ̀ kan. Ẹ̀yin tó bá torí ẹ̀rọ àgọ́rọ̀ kan.
Èyí tó bá wá torí ẹ̀rọ àgbẹ̀bọ̀ kú. Ọlọ́run ènìyàn, Ọlọ́run ni ọ̀tá mi lọ.
Kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀, kò sí, kò sí.
Kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀.
Kò sí, kò sí.
Abáfẹ́rẹ́ sọ́rí láyé yìí àti lọ́run.
Kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀. Dan.
Ó ní kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀. Kò sí. Alhaji ló ní kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀ lọ́run. Kò sí. Ó ní láyé yìí àti lọ́run.
Kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ ìdílé bàbá. Ẹgbẹ́ ìdílé bàbá. Orí tó ṣe nínú ayé wa. Ìtì àìláì ọmọ yọ̀ lọ́wọ́. Ó ṣeun bàbá.
Alhaji ní Zakari, wọ́n ní kí ilé ṣe. Ọlọ́tọ̀kùnbọ̀, Adétọ̀kùnbọ̀.
Okay, guys. So, family, that's it, people. That's when they got to call my name, when the musician got to praise my name, because I was the host of the day and my best friend was having a birthday. So I hope you enjoy watching. If you get to see this video, just know that the video came out the way I wanted it. If you don't see it, but if you see it, make sure you like it, okay? I love you all. Honorable, that's my name. Hey, kò sọ́ba bí rẹ̀. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe, okay?